Japan, home to temples, Mount Fuji, bullet train, and two idiots obsessed with a shower.
Look, I'm not even holding it.
You join us today on a street photography POV around a rainy Shibuya.
So this is Shibuya on a very rainy day. Very Saturday actually, so it's busy as fuck. What am I shooting at? 2.8, 1/200. I might change that to film 250. In the light areas. Nah, I won't. It will be okay. I think I got him.
I wasn't going to come back here.
Oh, you dirty bastard.
Right, we was here the other day, but it wasn't raining, so we had to come back. I wasn't going to come back here for pictures, but I think you got a banger. And when I say it's raining, it's fucking pissing it down. Wee dog.
See, one thing I like about Tokyo is I'm usually the tallest person here. He's doing the same thing I was going to do. Bad thing about Tokyo is when it's umbrella time, I'm usually the one getting poked in the eye.
Trying to fucking dodge people with my umbrella. It's not going well. Yeah, mate. He loves it.
Okay, thank you. I think that might work.
The 85 might be a little bit too quick.
Yeah, I can't change anything. I've only bought the 85. We're going right. Get in there. Which leg? Oh shit! Sorry, my bad. Apparently the Nikon is really well weather sealed, but we're going to test that. We're going to test that today. We are here again.
Liam, remember, you can't bring your bombs in or your petrol.
I forgot I'm coming here. I packed all the C4. Oh, that's pretty good.
Fully in focus.
I fucking see. That is pretty sick though. Huh? Yeah, I thought I'd get another beer and go.
More passion, more energy, more footwork.
Might never happen. I want them to walk down there.
Or down where?
I've seen a couple of people walk across the road or off the road.
Oh, yeah. He's following her at the road. You're gonna grab a taxi from her. You're gonna grab a next taxi. I know you're eyeing it up, Sean, I know. Not from here. Not from here, I ain't. I've got someone's nostril. Well, that I might help.
The 85 is a bit much. Oh yeah, speak to me, daddy. Fuck, damn, I can't use that clip.
Hopefully I don't die.
Waiting for this guy. I mean, it's not the best, but I'll take it. Oh, the bus. Ah, I got the fucking bus.
Oh, that one. Yeah, I was about to do the fucking same.
Thank you for making it to the end of the video. If you enjoyed it, please consider liking and subscribing. It really helps. For some of our shots, we use Dehancer, including this shot. If you want to get the film emulation look, use our code HYPERFOCAL where you'll get 10% off all Dehancer video and photo plugins. See you in the next video. Oh yes, speak to me, daddy.